We are Onyx Imaging. We are the highest rated and most reviewed printer service center in Oklahoma.
Hey there YouTubers, it's your girl Brett over here at Onyx. Today I'm going to show you how to clean your scanner glass on an HP Color Laserjet M281. So go ahead and lift your front hatch, top hatch up. You want to get your favorite glass cleaner in a lint-free cloth. Put the glass cleaner on the cloth. You never want to directly put it onto the printer. Go ahead and just clean it nice and thoroughly. Sometimes the printer or the scanner glass will have some ink marks or possibly even some whiteout on there. So if you're seeing that, just go ahead and clean it again. If you're seeing issues when you're using the top part, the ADF, focus more on this little glass, the strip of glass right here. If you're getting more defects when you're using this glass, then focus on the bigger glass. If you guys are seeing lots of defects when you're scanning or copying, it might be time to give us a call. If you're in need of any supplies or quotes, give your girl Brett a call and have a great day.
Thank you for watching. If you're interested in how you can receive free labor on all of your service calls, as well as how to qualify for free printer upgrades, contact us today. We are here for all of your printer and office supply needs.